So today we'll discuss about SAP demo. So what is SAP? What is SAP? SAP stands for System Application Products Data. So what is SAP? Here SAP means System Application Product. System Application Products for data processing. Products for data processing. This is called as SAP stands for SAP stands for Application Process. System Application Products for data. SAP stands for System Application Products for data processing. So what is SAP? So SAP is an ERP software. ERP software. SAP is a ERP software. So what is ERP? What is ERP? ERP means here enterprise resource planning. ERP means enterprise resource planning. What is ERP? ERP means enterprise resource planning.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Yeah.
one doubt, sir.
Yeah, you can ask.
Sir, why we want to use SAP and where we can use that, sir?
SAP is the ERP software. They're providing business solution. I will explain in depth. So they're providing any
Oh,
business solution. You can
okay.
understand what is the ERP. Example of ERPs. SAP, Oracle, and PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, JD Edwards. Those all are called the ERP software. SAP market share is SAP market share is 80%. So SAP occupied 80 to 80% market share. So enterprise resource planning, right? What is E for any company? The enterprise means any company. To providing business solution to any company or organization. And what is the resource? What is the resource? The resource of the company. Resource of the company. What are the resources required? Required money. Planning. What is the planning? You have to provide. What is the planning you want to do? Planning. What are the strategies? Strategies for the company. This is called as enterprise resource planning. So in depth you can discuss, you can understand what is ERP. Take it from table. Just you can understand what is the ERP. Just you can understand what is the ERP. So here first table is called as the enterprise. Enterprise. Second resource. Then planning. Then SAP point of view. SAP point. Enterprise means here any company, right? Enterprise means here any company, any organization, any company or any organization, any company or any organization, any company. Enterprise simply called as any company called as enterprise. Your resource means money and manpower is a resource, petrol is a resource, and machinery is a resource, and methodology. The resource and methodology. So planning is what is the planning. HR planning, financial planning, environmental planning, engineering. So it's financial planning, right? Financial planning. Manpower means HR planning, commercial planning. Material means raw material planning. The raw material planning. Machinery means engineering planning. Engineering planning. Methodology means production planning. So, SAP point of view, what we discussed about financial. SAP point of view, affect CO, college FI CO, financial accounting and controlling. Point of view, SAP college is model, and engineering means plant maintenance. Production means people. So they all are called as modules. SAP point of view means all are called as modules. These are the functional modules of SAP. So this is the enterprise resource planning. So SAP is useful for these okay. The financial SAP is useful for the financial planning, SCM, material management, and engineering and production planning. Suppose if you want to start the company, recommend these resources. Without these resources, you can't start the company, right? Once you start the company, you have to execute the plannings. You require those planning. Suppose if you require any software, you require those modules. You require these modules. Now you can understand what is SAP, what is ERP. And here sales and marketing called as the SD module. Once the goods are developed, goods are manufacturing, you require sales and marketing. It's called as the SD module. Called as the SD module. So here, what is SAP and ERP? Next, we can discuss about modules of SAP. So, how many modules are available? So, modules of SAP. One is technical module. Second is function module. Technical module, they need to write coding and programming. Write coding and programming. It's called as a technical module. Technical module is called as the above. It's called as the above. Advanced business application programming. Advanced business application programming. Above. These technical people, they always writing the programming and coding. Advanced business application programming. If you want to go to a programming side, you can choose technical module. I don't want to go to technical module, you can choose functional module. Functional modules are providing only business solutions. Functional module providing only business solutions. The technical module writing only coding. Next, functional module. Functional module providing only business solutions. Providing business solutions. These are sales and distribution. The modules to call as sales and distribution, material management, sales and distribution. Sales and distribution. So this is dealing with order to cash process. Order to cash process. Next, material management. Material management. This is dealing with procure to pay process. Procure to pay process. Procure to pay process. Sales and distribution, SD is the order to cash process. Material management, procure to pay process. Next, financial accounting. Financial accounting. This is dealing with all financial related issues. All financial related issues. And profit and loss accounts, balance sheets, sorts of things. Next, production planning. Production planning. So this model dealing with product design and MRP related things. MRP related things. MRP related things. So as per your interest, you can choose any model. You can choose any model. If you want to choose sales and distribution, or material management, or production planning, and say anything, whatever it will, can choose. You have the option, can choose any model. So these models are called as a functional models. As a functional consultant, just you providing business solutions. Functional consultant is always providing business solutions. In functional models, they don't write coding and programming. Just providing only business solutions. Providing only business solutions. Providing only business solutions. So our model is sales and distribution. Our model is sales and distribution. Sales and distributions. What are the sales and distribution here? This will happen sales order. This will happen to customer either sales order, outbound delivery, and paid invoice. This model works on only sales order, outbound delivery, and only three orders. When the customer raise the order, customer receive the goods, customer pay the invoice. That's it. That's it. In this model, we can discuss first about enterprise structure. Enterprise structure means structure of the company. It's called as the structure of the company. So this is called as enterprise structure. Second, we can discuss about second is master data. Master data is we have so many master data, right? Customer master data is related to only customer related things. Just material master data. This is completely product related master data and pricing master data. This is completely different from pricing related things. And the CMA data, customer medical record data, and output master. So you're dealing with those master data. Customer master, middle master, pricing master, CMA, output master. So you're dealing with these master data in SAP SD. Next, we can discuss about sales documents. So discussing about sales document. Sales documents, generally we have three documents. Sales document, here discuss about sales document, header, item, and schedule line. And next, delivery document. Delivery document you can discuss only header and item. Delivery document contain no item category, no schedule category. Discuss only delivery, header, and item. Then billing document. In the billing document only you can discuss only header and item. So sales means all sales related information. Delivery means all delivery related information. Billing means all invoice related. All types we discuss. Next, basic functions. In basic functions, while creating sales order, system automatically determines those basic functions. While creating sales order, system automatically determine basic functions. That is pricing determination. So pricing means system will take a price, discount pricing, base price, surcharges, tax, everything discussed in the pricing. Next, output determination. So what is the output you will get? The print output or fax or email. What is the output? Partner determination. Which partner you have to do the business? Partner determination. Which to party, ship to party, which partner we are doing the business with the customer? Partner determination. Account determination. How accounting things are, how accounting document is generated. The account determination only and document generated. And material determination. Material determination. If you substitute one product to another product using material determination. Test determination. Suppose you want to communicate any information from one customer to one business for one partner to another partner, you can use test determination. And route determination. Suppose the goods are delivering some specific route, then replace route determination. And you can discuss availability check and transfer of requirement. The customer then check the availability of the material, availability of the products. You can use availability check and credit management. Any customer the impact of credit limit, any credit customer you have to maintain the credit limit. That is the topic is credit management. The topic is credit management. Under cross-selling, combination of materials, cross-selling. Any combination of materials required, there is a cross-selling. Listing and exclusion. Listing and exclusion. Suppose one customer can only order those materials. You can maintain listing. A few customers they don't require those products. You have to maintain exclusions. This is called listing and exclusions. So these are called as basic functions. They are called as basic functions. Item proposal. Every month customer is using orders on some products. In this time you are using item proposal. This is also another basic functions. So these are the basic functions we can discuss in SAP SD. So next business process. Next business process. The business process we start from the standard order. Standards order. This is used for order to cash process. Order to cash process. Normal order can use for order to cash process. Then you can discuss about cash share. Discuss about cash share. Cash share means pay the money, pick the material immediately. Pay the money, pick the material immediately. Cash share. Pay the money and pick the material immediately. The material immediately. This is cash share. Next, rush order. Immediate delivery. Yes, rush order means immediate delivery. Immediate delivery. Invoice letter. Not invoice letter. The cash share example is Walmart, DMart, Walmart, DMart, shopping malls. The examples for cash share. Standard means the general standard order. And rush order means EMI. First you pick the materials, then you can pay the amount, right? This is called as the EMI price. This is the example of EMI. So if I want to purchase anything through EMI, pick the material immediately, pay the amount. Immediately happen, invoice order is EMI. Here example is Walmart, DMart. In shopping malls, Walmart, RS Brothers, in the showrooms, Then what will happen? Pick the money, pay them immediately. Pick the money, pay the money, pick the money, pay them immediately. So there's a business process. But goods are damaged, can be returned. If not, when goods are damaged or expired. So these all are the business process. They all are called as business process. Next, third party order, third party sales, vendor goes the vendor goes the delivery company. Sorry, customer. Vendor goes, vendor goes, vendor goes, vendor will deliver goods. Third party order and IPO sales. IPO sales, intercompany sales, intercompany sales, stock transfer order, and consignment sale. Consignment sale. Next, make to order, MTO, and make to shop, MTS, credit memo and debit memo. So these are so many business processes. Can discuss so many business processes. All are called generally so many companies utilize this process. And free of charge delivery, free of charge delivery for sample process. Sample goods utilized. Next, substitute free of charge delivery. Just replacing the goods. This is replacing the goods. Replacing the goods. So these are all part of the business process. These are so many business processes we have, and then we can discuss about next one. We can discuss about interfaces, ALE, IDOCs, ALE, EDI. IDOCs and conversions, LSMW, and next project, the same methodology. Same methodology project. So these are the topics we can discuss in SAP SP and interview questions and other answers. Interview questions and answers. Then resume preparation. And I'll provide soft copy of the material. Next, mock interviews. So it is. So I will provide all those things in this class. So right from we can discuss from the SAP SP means right from the infrastructure, master data, sales government, basic functions, business process. So we can discuss like some of things, interfaces, conversions, and project, interview process and answers, and resume preparation. And I will provide sort of material and mock interviews, all those things. So this is the general. This is for some SAP ST. We can discuss all those things. A project, implementation and support, both implementation as well as support. Are you trying to both? So these topics can discuss in SAP ST.